iKX1 is a small machining center designed specifically for the education and light industrial markets. It has an experimental volume, easy to place in classrooms, laboratories, or light industrial settings. Adopt high-precision 4-volt modem. Provides stable and efficient power output. Using linear guides and high-precision ball screws, ensure the stability and machining accuracy of the equipment. Capable of processing workpieces of different materials, such as black metal, stainless steel, non-ferrous metal, copper, aluminum, plastic, and wood. Support various processing methods, such as drilling boots, washing, and carving washing. Large-sized trapezoidal workbench, for fixing and installing various tools, furniture, and workpieces. Equipped with 4-station tool changer. Support automatic tool change. Spindle adopts knife cylinder pneumatic tool change. Full protective cover. Configure transparent security doors. It is convenient to observe while ensuring the safety of operation. iKX1 can be personalized according to the different needs of customers. Numerical control system can choose Siemens, FANUC, Mitsubishi, HNC, GSK, and SIEG system. In addition, the color of the machine bed can also be tailor-made to solve the problem of difficult operation of CNC machine tools, security risks, insufficient numbers, and other problems. iKX1 can also be used with USW virtual machine tools to form a V+PS teaching solution. Provide customers with a more intuitive and vivid operation experience.